Àsọ̀hírù àgbàtínú Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, àrà tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrú ni wọ́n síkúrú ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú. Kó fàyà kùn rẹ̀ láfi ń ṣe tiwa. Ewé jẹ́ òbẹ̀ èyí tó dá fún wa ládẹ̀ gbójúlé. Èyí tó ní ká ló ládẹ̀ ń lò. Ọba ńlá ń dákun máa jẹ́ ká ṣiṣẹ́. Ọba tó rí gbogbo ẹ̀dá ta ò rí. Ìwọ lọ́ba tá ń gbàṣẹ lọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀. À ń bẹ̀ ọ́, à ń bẹ̀ ọ́, à ń bẹ̀ ọ́ gbóhùn wa. Torí lọ́la kó fàyà kùn Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó fàyà kùn Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé ajẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn lèmi dábọ̀ sóhun mi lò jáde lọ. Ewé ń jẹ́.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are watching me today. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye. Today, I want to discuss with you how to use jatropha leaf. If you believe that you have been attacked by witchcraft, you understand, that delay your progress or delay your destiny, and you want to get rid of it, you understand, by the grace of Almighty God, if you follow this simple instruction, my simple instruction, by the grace of Almighty God, you will surely share me a good testimony by the grace of Almighty God. Are you with me? Like maybe you travel to somewhere that is very dangerous, or you that always afraid to go your village, that maybe when you come back from village, something may happen to you, like affect you financially, and you don't want that kind of thing to happen to you, or you always eat in your dream, or maybe you suspect something that is affecting you spiritually and you want to get rid of it. Today I want to share with you how to use jatropha leaf. In Yoruba language we call it ewe lapalapa funfun, to get rid of negative energy from your life. I think you understand what I'm saying. In my previous video, I explained how to use this seed if you always eat in your dream. Because let me tell you one thing, if something happened to you spiritually, it's going to affect you physically. You understand? So that is why you need to treat yourself spiritually. You need to treat yourself spiritually. So that is why I want to explain this thing for you today. So this is jatropha leaf. This is jatropha leaf. We call it iwelapalapa in Yoruba language. So the material you need for this tip is jatropha leaf, warm water, and salt. And there's a way you are going to bathe this water. You need to follow my instruction if you want it to work perfectly. You understand? So how to do it and how to use it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Babi Wenge. If today is your first time here, everything I do here is to share spiritual tip, just like the one I want to share with you right now. And if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So anytime, any day, any hour I post video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You see a lot of video there that can help your spiritual life. If you don't understand, feel free to call me on 070-3742-2552, or you message me on WhatsApp 090-5333-2747. So in today's video, I want to share with you how to use jatropha leaf to get rid of any form, any kind of spiritual attack. You understand? If you always eat in your dream, you understand, or you always like to shake someone, hug someone, you can contact spiritual attack through hugging and so on. You understand? And we all believe that it's only God that can protect us. You understand? But He created this leaf not for animal, because you can never see animal eating jatropha leaf. But what is the reason of this leaf? What are the purpose of this leaf on earth? If you have this leaf in your compound, it has a lot of spiritual benefits. You understand? If you have it in your compound, you better take care of it. There are many ways to use it. Hmm? So if you are new to this channel, please help me to like this video, subscribe to this video for more of this video. So to get rid of negative energy, to get rid of spiritual attack, get this leaf as much as you can. Are you with me? This leaf, get it as much as you can. Put it in a big plastic rubber. Then you need warm water, either 5 liters, 2 liters, 10 liters, or 15 liters, or 20 liters. Put the warm water on top of the leaf. You understand? At least for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, squeeze this leaf. Squeeze it like you are washing your clothes. You understand? Then after that, filter it. Remove the other leaf. You don't have anything to do with it. Throw it away. So this water, the one you extracted from the jatropha leaf, add a pinch of salt to it. A pinch of salt. Add it to it. Take it to your bedroom. So when you get to your bedroom, please, you have to be careful. Follow my instruction. Are you with me? You can get small cup just like this. Divide the water into 3. You understand? If you want to share it with your wife, you must beat it 3 times. Your wife must beat it 3 times. You understand? Divide the water into 3. Take first water after you remove your clothes, naked yourself. Take the first water, put it on your head, from your head down to your toe. Use it to wash every part of your body. That is the first one. The second one, take it, put it on your head. Use it to wash every part of your body. The third one, take it from your head down to your toe. Do not beat this water more than 3 times. You understand? I think you understand what I'm saying. You are going to beat it once, but you need this water 3. You understand? Do not make me the mistake, please. Please, Baba, I watched one of your video where you asked us to use jatropha leaf and pinch of salt to beat every part of your body. And I made mistake because I didn't see the video. So I now use the water to beat it 4 times. You on your own. You better take your pen and write it down now. You can also save this video. If you don't want to save this video, please take your pen and write it down. You must please make sure you follow this instruction. I don't know what is going to happen if you use it more than 3. I don't know what is going to happen, but just follow my instruction. You understand? It's very simple and very, very effective. Only if you follow my simple instruction. Are you with me? So you can beat it in the morning or at night before you sleep. I think you understand what I'm saying. You can beat it anytime, but once in a month or once in a week. You understand? You don't need to take permission from me before you do it. Do it without my knowledge. But if you don't understand, please feel free to call me on the 070-3742-2552. Or you message me on WhatsApp 090-5333-2747. So that is how to do it. This is not magic. I'm not a magician. You understand? If you try one of my recipe, maybe the recipe doesn't work for you. I'm not a god. You understand? We are only trying. Like, just imagine someone call me today that if I can do something for him, today and see money tomorrow, just imagine that if he see the money tomorrow is going to give me 1 million for what? I'm not a magician. Oh, you understand? That is why some people, they will just infect you and give you something that is very dangerous for your health. You understand? They will give you something that is very dangerous. After taking it, you begin to have a bad dream, because 1 million is not a small money. Someone called me that he will dash me 1 million if I can do something for him today and see the result tomorrow. I said, I'm not a god. I'm not a god. How much is 1 million now? If I remove 100,000 from 1 million now, 900,000 is going down, down, down. So I'm not a god. Please know the kind of question that you'll be asking me. You understand? If you have any other question to ask me about my video, please feel free to call me or you message me. So please, if you love this video, to like this video. As you like this video, may Almighty God bless you and bless your family. Thank you very much. Orúkọ mi náà ni Dr. Mutiu Ọlátìbóyè táyé mọ̀ sí oúnjẹ. Lórí ètò yìí gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀ pé nǹkan tí a máa ń ṣe, a máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ewé àtegbò. Ojú tẹ́ fi ń wò mí, ojú yàn ní fọ́, etí tẹ́ fi ń gbọ́ mi, etí yàn ní dì. Làákàyè yín tẹ́ fi ń gbọ́rọ̀ wa kò ní jọ́bà lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ẹ wá rí gbogbo àwa tí a wà lórí ètò yìí, ẹ̀yin olùrànlọ́wọ́, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń like, olólùrànlọ́wọ́ ni yín o. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń comment, olùrànlọ́wọ́ ni yín. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń fún wa ní super thank, olùrànlọ́wọ́ ni yín. Bí tẹ́ ti mú owó náà, tẹ́ ti fi ra data, tẹ́ fi ń wò wá, tẹ́ fi ń fún wa ní gift, àpò yín ò ní gbẹ lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ẹ̀yin tó wù tẹ́ fẹ́ ṣe náà, tẹ́ ẹ̀ láǹfààní àti lè ṣe, Ọlọ́run á jẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ lè ṣe, kẹ́ ẹ ṣe jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ lágbára Ọlọ́run. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tó bá wà tẹ́ ń wò mí lẹ́ni tẹ́ wà lórí ìdùbúlẹ̀ àìsàn, Ọlọ́run wọlé wákàtí ọ̀wọ̀ yìí, Ọlọ́run bá mi mú àlàáfíà bá yín. Àwa tí àwa ṣàìsàn, kí Ọlọ́run má fi àìsàn burúkú kan wá. Gbogbo wa pátá la láìsàn, àyàfi ẹni tọ́lọ́run bá wòsàn. Àìsàn tí ó gbẹ̀mí wa, tí ó gba ogun wa, tí ó gba ilé, tí ó gbọ̀nà lọ́wọ́, Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ kó sí wa lágbára Ọlọ́run. Èyí tá a mú wá lénìí ni tí wọ́n bá ń fi aburú kànyàn, tá a sì mọ̀ pé kíní yìí ó ní ọwọ́ ayé nú. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wá ewé làpálàpá kó pọ̀ ní tútù, ẹ jẹ́ ká kó sínú báàfù kan, ẹ jẹ́ ká da omi tó lọ́wọ́rọ́ ká dà lé lórí, ẹ jẹ́ ká filẹ̀ fún bíi ìṣẹ́jú 10. Lẹ́yìn ìṣẹ́jú 10, ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ gbó, ẹ wá jẹ́ ká sẹ́ sákìtì yẹn, ẹ jẹ́ ká dànù. Omi yìí ẹ jẹ́ ká bu iyọ̀ díẹ̀ sí, ẹ wá jẹ́ ká gbé wọ lọ inú bedroom. Tá bá ti dé inú bedroom, ẹ jẹ́ ká pín omi sí ọ̀nà 3. Àkọ́kọ́, tá bá ti bọ́ra lẹ́wọ̀n ó ọmọlúwàbí, a lè wẹ̀ láàárọ̀, a lè wẹ̀ lálẹ́. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé omi ká dà sórí wa, ká fi san látòkè délẹ̀. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì, ẹ gbé dà sórí yín, ká fi san látòkè délẹ̀. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kẹta, the same thing. A gbọ́dọ̀ fi omi sanra lẹ́ẹ̀mẹrin. Sọ̀rọ̀ mi ti yé? Ó ní èèwọ̀, torí mi ò mọ nǹkan tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ tó bá fi wẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kẹrin. Ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣọ́ra, aburú ò ní ṣe wá. Tá bá ti wẹ̀ tán, tí omi yẹn bá sì pọ̀ ńlẹ̀, a lè sọ pé kó ìyàwó wa náà wẹ̀, kó wẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀mẹ́ta. Ẹ má fọmọ kékeré wẹ̀, fi Ọlọ́run bẹ̀ yín. Àdúrà ọgbọ́n ló ní fi wálẹ̀. Tí ẹ bá ní béèrè mi, tẹ́ bá fẹ́ béèrè lọ́wọ́ mi, ẹ kàn sí mi lórí àwọn phone number mi tó ń display lójú screen yìí. Èmi náà lọmọ yín lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí, àbúrò yín olólùfẹ́ yín, Dr. Mutiu. Ó dàbọ̀.